This project got rug pulled from $3 to a few cents. So if you hold $10,000, you could just end up with less than $1. But let me tell you how you can earn even during this panic, even during this minus 99.99%. Here is proof that you can't trade it on MEXC or whatever the exchange is because they suspended it. Here is how you can make money. Look at the number. It says liquidity, the first one, 154,000. And volume is 13 million because of the panic. Everyone is panic selling. Nobody knows what's gonna happen. Some people speculating and buying the dip. What you need to do is provide liquidity. And you don't even need to put your life savings. You can just put $5 and you can make insane return of investment. Here is my example. You can see how much Ethereum I put and everything, how much gas I spent, which is $1, and then how much the fees I made, which is insane, which is $133 on the upside. You can see why I made so much money from fees. I mean, it's not much, but why I made comparatively a lot in a short period is because people are panicking. Liquidity providers are withdrawing their liquidity because they don't want to get wrecked. And there is so less liquidity and so much demand to sell or buy. And the SEX listings, such as MEXC, Binance, are blocked. But you gotta be very careful. This is really, really high risk. This isn't financial advice or anything, but rather my personal experience that actually worked.